What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best irons for sewing and quilting. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Rowenta Steam Force. The Rowenta DW9280 is a powerful iron which ensures that creases will be gone with one swift press. This iron is quite heavy, weighing in at around 4 pounds. The Rowenta DW9280, being a 1800W iron, also heats up quicker than other low-watt irons, and it can maintain that heat better than most irons as well. And when this iron is heating or cooling to the required temperature, the LED light blinks, making it convenient for the user. It has a stainless steel sole plate with a non-stick coating which is scratch-proof and also allows the iron to glide easily. It has 400 steam holes and even helps save water by stopping the iron from steaming unnecessarily. What makes it good for quilters? The Rowenta DW9280 is an ideal iron for quilting for numerous reasons. It's heavier than most irons, so you won't have to apply much pressure to straighten those creases. It also heats up fast, which will be good if you're trying to save time. It also has 5 settings for steam and temperature, so you can use it for a variety of fabrics. The Rowenta DW9280 is known to iron fabric quicker because it's hot and has a high steam output, which is around 210 G/min. Number 4. Rowenta Focus. As for the Rowenta Focus XL DW5260, the second iron for quilting on our list, there are many positive things to expect if you decide the machine is for you. For one, there's a water tank and window that allows you to see the water level at all times. The tanks can hold a maximum of 11 ounces of water when full. Additionally, this machine doesn't drip even in low heat settings. As a side note, there's no need to look for distilled water to put in this iron's tank, as it's capable of handling tap water without any glitches. Once the water has been integrated into the iron, the machine can produce 40 G/min of continuous steam. However, users can take this up a notch by using the 100 G burst of steam when necessary. Notably, the 100 G steam is ideal for when you encounter those stubborn quilts that don't straighten up easily. It also works when you're hanging your quilts. Another top-tier feature is the auto shut-off. It might help prevent costly accidents in your workshop. Number 3. Aliso Pro Mini Project Iron. Next, we have the Aliso M2 Pro Mini Project Iron, and just as the name suggests, this option is compact. If you travel with your quilting projects, you're going to want to take this with you as well. Notably, it allows for 120V sockets when you're in the US. However, if you're outside the country, you can push a button to allow 240V usage. You get a highly rated sole plate that's made primarily out of ceramic. However, it's also diamond coated, which is partly why the machine can glide effortlessly over fabrics. Another positive is the 180 degrees pivot cord, which works in conjunction with the machine's design to allow for dual-handed use. You don't have to be limited to either your left or right hand. From the moment you start the machine, it takes a maximum of 45 seconds to get to the highest heat setting. Additionally, an indicator light is provided to let you know when the machine is sufficiently heated up. The Soulmate accessory should come in handy during storage. This is because it comes with a hook and cord tether. It also works as an ironing board cover. Number 2. SHEA Steam Iron. The SHEA Steam Iron is best known for being convenient. Its sole plate is built from the same flat iron technology that uses titanium-infused ceramic plating, which is extremely durable and has a modern look. The iron also has strong steam coming out of its 400 steam vents. It's easy to use as the temperature dial has fabrics on them, so you can eliminate making assumptions when ironing your precious fabric. What makes it good for quilters? The SHEA steam iron has a heavy-duty sole plate which makes ironing quilts easy. It also has a 10 ounces water tank which makes it so that you can use more steam while ironing, easily getting rid of those pesky wrinkles. While it does weigh less than other 1700W irons, the SHEA steam iron is good for long ironing sessions as it won't tire out your hand as much. Number 1. BLACKDECKER Digital Advantage. The BLACKDECKER D2530's most prominent feature is its variable temperature setting. You can easily control the temperature and steam. The variable temperature and steam settings give you the ability to customize for each type of fabric you have. It also has an auto shut-off feature which turns the iron off after 8 minutes of inactivity or 30 seconds if it's on its sole plate or its side. The BLACKDECKER D2530 also prevents drips and watermarks. This iron heats up quickly and conserves the heat with the help of the stainless steel sole plate. This model is just one of the cleverest ever put to the market by BLACKDECKER in their variety of ironing items. What makes it good for quilters? The BLACKDECKER D2530 is of decent weight. It's not overbearingly heavy or too light that you'll need to apply so much pressure to get the wrinkles out. This iron also has strong steam output. In addition to that, it also gives out steam in bursts so it is easier to iron and squeeze out wrinkles. The BLACKDECKER D2530 is not as expensive as most irons and it gets the job done quite well. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.